good? YouTube, ADR Twan here, known by Sleight of Hand, Red X the Artist, whatever you know me as, you feel me? We in here with another project. We're going, the location today is Charlotte Knights Baseball Stadium. Paid for a slot to paint down there, you feel me? So we went to charity donations. Got an hour slot, so we're gonna get down there. I'm up here early a little bit so I can get down there. Travel time, it's like 30 minutes, 45 minutes away. But yeah, man, we're gonna get right. While y'all here though, if y'all would, it's a new channel, so everything will be in the links, all my links in the descriptions. But if you're on YouTube with me today, man, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start some new shit. I'm gonna be on my journey, bro. I'm gonna show what the hell I be doing with the art. Finesses, how I process it, what's up. You feel me? It's time, so 2024 gonna be different. But yeah, if you would, man, go ahead and like it, subscribe. And any comments you got, questions, man, go ahead and leave them things too. But we gonna get to it, man. I'm about to pack up everything on my whip. And I'll see y'all when I get, probably, let's go get some food or something. But we don't know, man, I'll tell y'all. All right, man, so we done packing the whip up. So I'm saying I got a couple of my pads, my tripod, my cans, of course my paint brushes, like, we're gonna get right, man. We got to dip out. We got a 35-minute drive. And yeah, see y'all at the stadium, man. All right, y'all, so, of course, I'm running late, like always. But hey, man, we're gonna get the, it don't matter, man. I done did way more faster shit than I had to do this, so. And I got to use paint brushes and whatever I use, cause see, I ain't just never painted on ice, bro. So I'm just like, how we gonna do that? Like, I don't know, but I know I gotta find parking, so that's another, you know what I'm saying, obstacle. Traffic is another thing, because Charlotte traffic is stupid. If you ain't never went through it, yeah, they just be doing dumb shit, but we gonna get there nonetheless, bro. We gonna start painting. Hopefully I can set up the time and everything, cause by the time I'm looking, it's looking like I just want to get there and paint, but nah, we gonna get right, man. But all right, man, let me get the fuck off this shit. Somebody just parked, walking along this mud, you feel me? You go to the stadium, Charlotte Knights, you feel me? So I'm about to walk in, register. And they say I can walk, so we got to go ahead and cross this motherfucker, man. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm out. All right, y'all, so like a goofy, I got lost. So I had to call a lady. It's always a damn lady you gotta call, but this is a stadium, right? So, but my dumb ass gotta walk all the way around. Matter of fact, I was totally right beside it the whole time. And the security guard was looking at me. She didn't even say nothing, you feel me? But fuck it. I'm about to get in here, man. We gotta get in this one. Nah, eventually.
This sheet, the painter still owns.
Yes, ma'am. That was for the spectators. I have the email. Hold on. I know I don't have long to paint. I got like 40 minutes. But...
Don't worry about it. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. All right. Cool.
I mean, you come to paint, so you gonna know what you're doing.
It's gonna be quick.
So, honey,
trying to get it out the way. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, let me get somebody.
Here you go. And this is what I had said. I told her to this guy. Well, yeah, she did tell me to come on, and she said $20 covers myself. I just called her as well. She told me to come to the.
Okay, who'd you speak to?
Mr. Robinson.
Go down the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Like 104, and it's the guy in the yellow jacket.
All right. Thank you.
And I think.
All right, man. So after countless BS, we in here, man. We at the stadium. We'll get that shot right there. Yeah, we'll get the sun hit, but we got to walk down. So, you feel me? Let's go. Shit. Oh, Lord. Of course I dropped something. Alright, let's try this one more time. So, it's an ice field. We got to paint this mug, so we're gonna figure it out, bro. Yeah. I think I'll walk on this. This shit is weird. You got Charlotte Night lighting. I mean, the skyline in the back. It's crazy. We're gonna paint. Let's go. I was blown when I got here, but I think it's gonna be a little better. So I don't know how to enter this though. We walk around.
Alright, so as you see, man, when I got there, they had their own paints. This was supposed to be like some special ice paint that I didn't even know about. So I'm up here right now just picking colors, but as I am picking colors and I'm walking through, um, I had some doubts, and this is why. So walking back, as you look in the middle, you see the paint started to melt. So at this point, I'm kind of skeptical, but just watch the video to see what happens. So if you haven't noticed by now, the first time I laid down the paint, man, the sun got to it, of course, man. And that paint started running straight through the ice, man. Basically just mixing. So you know me, man. I definitely tried to fix it with my artistic creativity, but man, the sun was just too powerful. It was right directly above me, so and I think it was like 12 o'clock at this time, so yeah. But of course, I'm an artist. I came here to paint, so I pushed through the best I could, man.
I want to show y'all what happened to the art. Shit funny, huh? Shit, I said, but it's straight ice, bro. So it went. I set up in the bed, throwing shit down, bro. Feel me? It's nothing. So, what we gonna do? Let's go to the graffiti part. This one dope. Oh, check it out. I get a video. It's slippery as hell right here, bro. Feel me? But yeah, this is my masterpiece. But that's funny. Talked all that shit just to come out here bullshit, but it's cool. We got to go to the graffiti part. I got my spray paint cans and I feel like spray painting. Alright, see y'all later, man.
How did yours turn out?
Horrible.
Huh?
Horrible.
Horrible?
Horrible.
Too wet?
Yeah. The sun, between the sun and mix of ice.
Yeah.
I've never painted on ice, but it was dope.
You should have been here early when the ice was frozen.
Yeah, I just wanted to come out here.
It's a good try.
Definitely. Appreciate you.
I take it, all that mess in the middle was all
Okay.
done up there, the turtles and
But
all
it was a
kinds
good,
of
I like the
Yeah.
matchup. Then it
It may
started
look
melting.
good when it all melts. And
Yeah.
they're going to do some growth
So that's what I
shots.
did a video of. I did a melt. I was like, I like the melt. So I was
Yeah.
like, but all right.
Thanks for
Yes,
coming.
sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, we out, man. That shit was bullshit. Nah, it wasn't no bullshit, but like I said, I just enjoy doing any type of art. I ain't never painted on ice, so like I said, man, we're gonna see y'all later, man. Peace. Alright, man, so we out, man. So I'm walking back to the car. That was an experience, that's all I'm saying. Turned out not the best that I wanted, but hey, I came out there for my slot. Did what I did, got some content for y'all, man. I'm posting videos. Basically, man, the paint wouldn't stay, so I couldn't really draw nothing for nobody. So, but like I said, I'm here for charity. Definitely donated. Shout out to the Charlotte Knights. Shout out to Charlotte Beer General, for real. Shout out to y'all. And like I said, man, if y'all like this content and y'all want more, just go ahead and like and subscribe, man. I'm doing this, trying to do this on break, so definitely just popping out with my first video. But we got art coming out. I don't even think that's what I provide, but we got some dope art coming, so y'all would, man, share this with your friends. And I'll see y'all next video, dog. Look at everybody on my weekend, dog. So,